How to use free AutoTune called Picture in FL Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you.
FL Studio Cuts.
First of all, open FL Studio, go to Mixture, select any insert track that you want. For example, fourth insert track. On slot 1, add Picture. It's under MISC folder. Go down a little bit, Picture. Pretty much same as AutoTune. You need to choose between minor or major. Minor is like for sad songs, major is for happy songs. Easy explanation. Right, so let's start with major, for example. Then key, you just need to find it out. What we need to do in the picture. In the picture, we need to play with the speed.
So today, baby, 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 oh.
You know? So right now you need to find your key. You need to play around a little bit.
Baby, 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 oh.
You know, if it sounds good, you choose right key that you like. With a fine tune, you can tune your audio a little bit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a little bit higher, this is a little bit lower.
So this is how you use Picture in FL Studio to record yourself. Easy, you just right click on the here, you deselect automation notes and leave only audio like this. Then you click spacebar and recording button, which is R on your keyboard. A, and then you record. If you want to hear yourself, you choose, you switch from monitor external input from off to on like this. Then you can hear yourself in your headphones. If you want to sound like Drake, T-Pain, and pretty much any artist right now in the music industry. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, press like. If you hate it, press dislike. Add any comment down below this video. If you like it, write how you like it, because it will help my video to pop up in recommendations. If you hate it, also leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about FL Studio, leave them down below. I will try to answer them in my next videos.